Alright, so now we are going to discuss this question, which is really interesting, from mock test of determinants, which was tough, and I was about to solve it, but I did a silly mistake, and we'll discuss that in depth. So, first of all, let's see like how is this question. Okay, so we are told that this is a determinant A, and we are given the trace of this. So let us just write the information which is given to us. Trace is given, and also this is given, and we don't know what it's used for right now. So trace means sum of diagonal elements, which is a, c, b. So a plus b plus c equals 9. This is given, and also this is given. And ab plus bc plus ca equals 26. This is given. And then we are told that a1 is adjoint of a, similarly a2 is adjoint of a1, and so on. Then we are told that determinant a4, so determinant of a4, which is this, it is equal to m. So m, and we are asked about some info of m, which is the last two digits. Let's see now. This is adjoint of a3, we know, as the property there itself says this. Now similarly, after continuing this, we will notice that there are so many adjoints. a3 is adjoint of a2, a2 is adjoint of a1, a1 is adjoint of a. So similarly, adjoint of a2 is adjoint of a1 is adjoint of a. So similarly, this 3 1 2 3. Okay, perfect. So 4 times we have to take adjoint, and later we will get this equation. Now this is told as m. In short, we need to find this value. Now obviously many people will get happy by looking at this, it's kind of easy, but many people get confused in this either ways. So if we want to bring this outside, order of A is 3 by 3 matrix, and this if we take this outside, the power would be squared. Then if we take this outside, the power will be again squared, which is 2 into 2. Alright, so 4. And if we take this outside, it's gonna be 8. Power 8, 4 is to 2. And if we just take A outside, it's going to be 8 into 2, which is 16. So in short, we have to find this. Now we are just given this information about matrix A and some properties. I mean, some, you can say, the values indirectly of ABC constants. This is M, and we can see, firstly we would have to find mod A. That is, if we expand this, we would get A. Okay, so we would get, wait, A times CB minus A square minus B square minus CA plus C AB minus C square. Now if we expand this properly, we would get minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube plus ABC ABC ABC. So if we add all three of those, 3ABC. Now if we take minus common, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. This is the main reason why I like this, because the information is indirectly given, which JEE does to us a lot, and this is a really common property. Now I myself was confused a bit, but realized that it's just A plus B plus C times A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now, now we have to find firstly this, as this is already given is 9, and using this and this we are going to find the value of this. Now this is pretty easy, as a plus b plus c equals 9, and if we whole square it, which is going to be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca equals 81, and we want minus sign here, so we are going to subtract this by 3ab plus bc plus ca, which is actually equal to, this is equal to 9, so 3 times, wait, this is equal to 26, it's given to us, so minus 3 times 26, we subtract it here, and this is I guess about 78, yes, it's 78, it's not visible anyways. 78 minus 81, 81 minus 78 is 3 equals, this is what we wanted, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is a short calculation for finding this. We got it. Now we are going to substitute the values, and also our work is not over after finding this. It's minus 9 times 3, which is equal to minus 27. So our work is not over yet. The reason is they have asked this, right? So a power 16 we have to find, and it's a tedious work to do, but if we find the pattern, maths is all about that almost, sometimes in like sequence and series and all, but here if we square this is basically mod a, right? So if we square, which is we'll get mod a squared equals 27 times 27. To do that, 9, 4 and 2 into 7, 2 times 7, so 4, 28 and 2 here. So we are just going to observe the last 2 digits. The reason is quite simple, we just have to catch the pattern of the numbers. So 29 times 29 we would do, this is a square, this is a power 4, and after this we will get a power 8. So this is going to be 1, 8, 81, and then 9 into 9 times 4, 441. Now again squaring this, we would get a power 16. A power 16 will be 81. Now this is a mistake I did. Technically 81 should have been the answer, but if we further solve it, we would realize 1, 8, 8, 16, 61 would be a power 32. Then I realized that if a power 32 is 61, it ends with 61, the last 2 digits, then this what was asked, a 4, it must have been a power 32. But then we would have been wrong somewhere here. Again, let's cross check it if it's correct or not. It's really easy to do. This is 4. 4 would be adjoint of a3, then adjoint of a3, then adjoint of a2, then adjoint of a1, then adjoint of a. Clearly it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we take it outside 4 times, it's basically 2 power 4, and 2 power 4 is 16 clearly, but still no. So what we conclude from this is answer is 81 itself, but in the answer key 81 is wrong. Let me see once again. Let's check the video solution to see where exactly I'm wrong. Okay, a power 16 was asked itself, but in the solution they did by binomial thing.